Hello, good morning. Today, my topic in English language is types of sentences. Okay, so we speak so many sentences, right? But there are many kind of sentences. The first type of sentence, generally which we speak also, are declarative sentence or assertive sentences. Assertive sentences are simple statements, okay, जो हम बोलते हैं. Assertive और declarative sentences. ये वो sentences हैं जो generally we speak, right? And these can be positive or negative. So, if we are saying it is very humid today, right? So, we are just declaring something. We are just asserting something. हम कुछ बता रहे हैं. इसमें ना कोई क्वेश्चन है, not even we are not asking any question. We are not requesting. We are not surprised. We are just telling that it is very humid today. Right? These kind of sentences are declarative sentence. Why? Because we are declaring. हम just बता रहे हैं. Okay? Or assertive sentence. Assertive means also just saying something. So whenever we are speaking, simply we are speaking something, those sentences are declarative or assertive sentences. Now these kind of sentences can be of two types, positive or negative. If we are saying it is very humid today, that means it is a positive assertive sentence. हम कोई चीज पॉजिटिव बता रहे, मीन्स देयर इज नो नेगेटिविटी इन माई सेंटेंस, राइट? हम कुछ नेगेटिव रिमार्क नहीं कर रहे. बट इफ वी आर सेइंग द प्रिंसिपल विल नॉट कम टू द स्कूल टुडे, दैट मीन्स वी आर असर्टिंग अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. हम कुछ नेगेटिव कह रहे हैं, दैट द प्रिंसिपल इज नॉट going to come to school today. Okay, the children will not study today. Okay, so these are negative sentences, negative assertive sentences. So the first type of sentences, declarative sentences, means simply kuch कहना, which is called declarative sentence or assertive sentence, right? Then we come to another type of sentence, that is interrogative sentences. Interrogative means posing a question, right? जब हम कोई चीज पूछते हैं तो those sentences becomes interrogative sentences. When will you come to my house? Again we are asking a question. So any sentence which has a question are interrogative sentences. Okay? Now interrogative sentences can have two type of answers, yes or no, correct? Now is your homework completed? Again this is a kind of interrogative sentence, right? Now these kind of interrogative sentence will have an answer of yes or no. Okay, now any other where is your school? So again this is an interrogative sentence, right? Because we are posing a question. Now then we come to the third type, that is imperative sentences. Okay, imperative sentences are used to express request or command, advice or desire or suggestion. These are not statements. Declarative sentences are simply statements. हम कुछ बता रहे हैं, that is all. But imperative sentences does not declare. Okay, it can be advice, it can be a suggestion, It can be a command, a request. For example, please close the library before you leave. So this is a request, right? So it comes in imperative sentence. Then don't talk loudly. So again, it's a command, right? So it comes under imperative sentence. Then refrain from eating junk food. This is a suggestion. So it comes in imperative sentences, right? So any advice, any command, any request, जब हम किसी को request करते हैं या कुछ order करते हैं या request command देते हैं या अपना desire put करते हैं, like I want something, और suggest करते हैं कि you should not, don't do this, okay, or please don't do this, or something, whatever, right? Suggest करते हैं, smoking should be avoided. These are suggestions. So these all comes under imperative sentence, right? कोई भी request, command, advice, suggestion, all. Then we come to the fourth type of sentence, that is exclamatory sentences. Exclamation mark, you must be knowing. Those are alas, hooray, like it's an expression which represents our sudden feeling, right? So it may be sorrow, it may be anger, it may be a surprise, like what a wonderful Neolithic painting. So we give an exclamation mark and that becomes an exclamatory sentence. Then hush, don't speak a word more, right? Again, after hush we give exclamation mark. This is an exclamatory sentence. Alas, I had failed to clear the test. So again, it's a feeling of sorrow, right? But it has an exclamation, alas, right? So these are kind of exclamatory sentences. Then we come to the last type, that is optative sentence, right? Now, optative sentences are generally used to express wish or prayer, right? Like, may you live long, may God bless you both. So when we put our wish, like it's a prayer sort of wish, then it becomes optative sentence, right? तो हमने 5 kind of sentences revise किया है. Optative sentences जिसमें हम कोई wish करते हैं, right? We put a wish or a prayer. Then exclamatory sentences जिसमें exclamation mark आता है, जिसमें alas, hooray, right? In सब kind of sentences. Then interrogative which pose a question, जिसमें हम question put करते हैं, right? Then declarative जिसमें हम simply कोई sentence बोलते हैं, right? जिसमें हम कुछ declare करते हैं. And declarative sentence can be positive or negative. And then we come across to imperative sentences which consist of commands, requests, advice, suggestions, all these kind of sentences. I hope kind of sentences is clear to you. If any issue as regular, you can text me. I can recapitulate. I hope you all understood what I wanted to explain. I hope you all enjoyed also. Thank you very much for watching my videos and subscribing it. Thank you.